Why, hello everyone. This is Uncle James here with another awesome video. Now, in this video, we're going to look at how to generate leads for your business. Okay, how to generate more leads for your business. Now, this number one, this is a tried and tested method, is you ask for referrals. A lot of businesses do this where they ask for referrals of their current customers. Okay, two, calls. Do regular customer care calls. Okay, this is a good way of getting some good information. And then you can also ask for referrals. Lead nurturing. Now, this concept is you have a lead and the lead that you currently have is not ready to buy. So you place all of those leads in a category on the side and you begin to nurture them. You get them ready for the sale, and before long they will become a customer. So that's lead nurturing. 4, now you must become a trusted source of information. You can put content out there, free content out there, and then people will begin to recognize you as the expert in the field. So this is something that really will work in your best interest. Now, use the internet. Now, you need to make sure that you know how to use the internet and that you have a website and that you're on the different social media platforms. You need to make sure that your website looks current, that your website do not look dated. You want it to look current, okay? And then networking online. Now, as you network online, you need to make sure that you are not only posting, but that you are engaging. You have to engage with the different people in each social media platform. But not just that, you need to make sure that you understand the objectives and the goals of each social media platform. They have different things that they do. Some of them are about videos, some are about posts, some are about images. Okay, so you need to make sure that you follow the community guidelines. And then be sociable. 7, you need to be a person that is sociable and that you interact with people. Attend different events, different social media, not just social media, but social events in the community. Be a person that you're seeing out in the community. And then number 8, good old-fashioned networking. You can't beat this. Good old-fashioned networking. This is a great way to generate leads for your business. Now, success leaves clues, and it does. Success does leave clues. Now, you want to make sure that you become a person of action and that you take action every day, every day, every day, every day. You take action. Do not let a day pass that you do not take action on your goal. No 0 days, no cheat days. When I say no 0 days, that means do not let a day pass that you do not take action on your goal. Now, this action that you're taking, some days you may only be able to give 15 minutes to it. That's great. And then other days you can do an hour. But you want to make sure that every day, every day, every day, you're moving forward to the completion of your goal. Now, let me speak this blessing over you. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you. May He smile upon you. May He grant you His favor. May He continue to give you His peace. And may He also continue to enlarge your territory. And this is my personal request of the Lord. Lord, please allow me to live at least 120 years of age, eyesight not abated, climbing up a new mountain, not sliding down an old one. This has been James. Have a great day. Take care now.